Access Point Router Setup. Advanced Animated Guide.
Common mistakes. Troubleshooting methods. Sometimes the router startup page can't load. Let's review what happens when a LAN cable is connected.
What's my name?
My son, you are 192.168.1.85.
As soon as PC gets a suitable name, it can view the router setup page.
Yo, Dad, I see you.
It doesn't always work.
What's my name? What's my name? Where are you?
Why didn't the PC get an IP address from the router?
It might be the reset was not properly done. Or maybe the reset button is faulty. Check the manual for other ways to reset.
Why didn't the PC get an IP address from the router?
This could happen if the connection was made using Wi-Fi. And then during the setting the Wi-Fi name was changed. Just log in on the new Wi-Fi name. Then, open a browser to view the page. Disconnect after finishing other settings. Connect using LAN cable. Wi-Fi coverage will be increased in both rooms.
Port assignments are best checked using View Network Connections. Here is an example of a good IP address. Received from a router. On the other hand, here is a case where PC didn't get an address. So Windows made one up. It's practically useless.
Connecting routers with different default subnets.